Most businesses set up their CRM pipelines really wrong. By the end of this video, you're going to have a clean pipeline structure that you can replicate over multiple departments or multiple offers within your business and keep track of where all your leads are coming from, what stage they're in, and what action you might need to take with them. So let's get started. Okay, so we are building this today inside of GoHighLevel or GHL, or in this case, Brandwave, which is my white label platform. So many of the people viewing this are going to be my clients that work on Brandwave. But just know that's, I'm interchanging it because you might be on a different white label or you might be with high level directly. So these are all going to be the same steps, but I will from here on, reference it as Brandwave. So setting up a pipeline. So where you're going to do that is you are going to go, and let me show you what the front end of a pipeline looks like first. So I am in one of my client sub accounts. This is a venue. And so here's one of their pipelines, right? And so we have a new inquiry, a tour scheduled. We've got tour no-show, tour attended warm, tour attended hot, a contract sent, a deposit paid, and then a booked. Also a column for lost and not booked. So your stages may look different depending on what kind of business you operate. And I'll try to show you a couple of examples, but this is one that works really, really great for event venues. And I have a lot of these event venues on our Brandwave for Events platform. So let me show you how to actually build them. So in here, you would go to pipelines and right here, and you can create as many pipelines in here as you want. This is going to show you all your pipelines, the number of stages, when it was last updated, and any actions that might need to be taken here. So you would come in, let's just say we're going to create a brand new one. You would come in here, you're going to do create pipeline. You're going to name it, let's call it sales pipeline. All right. So maybe you want new lead. And then maybe you want a stage that's booked a consult, let's say. These are slide. So you just if I want this to be the second, these go in order of your stages. So I want booked a consult next. Maybe I want contacted first. In a different video, I show you how to set up an automatic workflow so that anytime a new lead comes in, they get information from you automatically. So I typically don't put these contacted in here because I know it's been handled by the automation, but depending on, your business, you might want that in here. Booked a consult, proposal sent, and then maybe I want a contract signed. Gonna move that up here. And then maybe I want, let's see, pending payment. I mean, so many options. Or, let's say you are a business that is scheduling appointments for, let's say, plumbing work. So maybe it's appointment scheduled, lots of options. So these are drag and drop. You can put them anywhere you want. Okay, so let's say this is the order I want them in. Create. And now I would come back over here to my opportunities and switch down to that sales pipeline. And here it is. And now you've got everybody in this pipeline. So what's great here is that these are drag and drop opportunities. So I'm just going to grab a contact from here. Wait for it to show. Yep, there it is. Okay. So here's my new lead. So this can do a bunch of things. This can be Kanban-style. So you can just pull it over here, contacted, book a consult, whatever you might want there. You can change this to a different view type. So if Kanban view is not your jam, if you like lists, here's a list view. You've got that option. Let's go back to this. You can also automatically trigger these pipeline moves. So if you have workflows that, let's say, when a tag gets added, that they've booked an appointment, well, that could automatically move them on this pipeline to booked appointment, which I think I put all the way down here. And you never have to do this manually. It might just happen that way. So just something to know about, this could be manual. It could be far more automated. It could be based off of workflows and sequences and things like that. But this is the basics of how you build a pipeline in GHL or GoHighLevel. It's customized and as many steps or as few steps as you want. That's the beauty. And you can have one per sales rep. You could have it per product. You could have it per season, per product type. You've got unlimited pipelines that you can put in there to keep track of all of the leads coming into your business and where they're at in the process and what their next step is. So I hope this was helpful. If you need any help with GoHighLevel, GHL, you're looking for a white label to get on, I would love to show you Brandwave and talk about your business and how we can help you better automate.